Just gonna live my life and be happy today. Yaga yo, I'm happy, whoa, I'm happy. I'm so happy, yes, I'm happy. I'm gonna live my life and be happy today. Live and be happy today. Yaga yaga yo. So make we give thanks to see you next morning. Stop worry about vanity and clothes. Listen up, Rastaman warning. I don't judge, but I will oppose. Cause the evil where the wicked performing. Our full time now it exposed. So take time out to learn Rasta doctrine. Yaga yo, yaga yaga yaga. I'm so happy, yes, I'm happy. I'm happy, whoa, I'm happy. I'm just gonna live my life and be happy today. Yaga yo, I'm happy, whoa, I'm happy. I'm so happy, yes, I'm happy. I'm gonna live my life and be happy today. Live and be happy today. No, it's not the time for man not discriminate. We need more love, we don't need more hate. We need patience, we need.
Ring the alarm, another song is dying. Whoa, hey, ring the alarm, another song is over. I know. Some like a big jump on. Listen the sound, we have champion. Rock the dance in any session. Rock up the woman and rock the man. So ring the alarm, another song is dying. Whoa, hey, ring the alarm, another song is over. I know. See, then think them hard and check the wheel of them a fraud. And walk come this way sound and see them know them dead like a dog. And a back on the jump and sound and leave. I know them gone at the bag and tell them my sound is the champion. Where they won off in the yard. Me no mix, me no wanna, me no run up and down. Me no act like no clown. Some jump and test my sound, and one of them tests get thrown down. Hey, but some of them a wonky test it, all of them a clown. And me them work with this and now they get thrown down. Me no mix, me no wanna, me say friend, me no follow, me no run up and down like clown. Tell them don't test it, champion sound, now we run the town. God, then think them hard and see the whole of them a fraud. Tell them the fuck up and a jump and sound and now they dead like a dog. Ring the alarm.
Love your life, live your life, love your life. Not because you're broke, you're gonna hate your life. Because you're poor, you want to end your life. Hey, love your life, live your life, love your life. Love your life, live your life, love your life. Not because you're broke, you're gonna hate your life. Because you're poor, you want to end your life. No. And when you're sleeping on the cold concrete, broke and hungry, now have no food to eat. Work on 7 days of the week, and only have one shoes on my feet. Remember, time is the master, and Jah is my provider. Real wealth is health and strength. Don't be no suicidal. Love your life, live your life, love your life. Love your life, live your life, love your life. Not because you're broke, you're gonna hate your life. Because you're poor, you want to end your life. Yeah, love your life, live your life, love your life. Love your life, live your life, love your life. Not because you're broke, you're gonna hate your life. Because you're poor, you want to end your life. No. When all hope is lost and your back is against the wall, oh oh, never giving up, no no, never giving up.
Remember my marijuana, only for members in La Calada. Remember my marijuana, grow in Barcelona. Remember my marijuana, only for members in La Calada. Rosin Press, Bubble Bags, Miami Crate per il dry. Non puoi far solventless se queste cose non le hai. Gorska Cookie, Calampai, Sunset Sherbert e Black Lime. Queste varietà son clone elite USA. Chiamo nerd e dico ma il padre di Barbara Paz e Sandrino con il dry. Ha spaccato il culo assai, bonghettino e valigetta, cappellino con spilletta. C'è la spanna bis che aspetta e butta via sta sigaretta. Remember my marijuana, grow in Barcelona. Remember my marijuana, only for aver la tessera dopo l'iscrizione. Se vuoi approfittare di una degustazione ti posso aiutare. Cosa vuoi fumare? Indica osativa, lasciami pensare. Lecco una carta.
So if you are in the channel white or African, as long as you are ready, you can send your application. Cause I am the rubber duck commander, and I'm recruiting right now for the rubber duck army. The girls them ask me how to do the rubber duck. I said listen to me girl and you will understand. Set your hand in a jockey fashion, bend your back like you're riding a bike. Move your body like it have an engine. Lift up your foot and then you put it down again. You should have seen the inner Chinese and the white girl too. Them started to do the rubber duck with me. I am the rubber duck commander, and I'm recruiting right now for the rubber duck army. So if you are in the channel white or African, as long as you are ready, you can send your application. Cause I am the rubber duck commander, and I'm recruiting right now for the rubber duck army. 25 sexy girl lining up behind me. I said, girl, we got to do the rubber duck march. Just set your hand in a
respect the difference, open up your heart and feel the influence. Real love is not about the convenience. Real love is smooth and silent. It is not your love when it is not evident. You love yourself and you will love your brother. Love all of the woman them cause them bring life. Love it is a must and love it is a right. More love and harmony is what we have and what we need. Love is epidemic, love is explosive. Per quello che me magno e per come me vesto. Ci sono 1000 stelle e 1000 universi, 1000 colori e 1 milione di interessi. Tocca li tolleri, tocca li rispetti, perché su sta terra siamo tutti diversi. La vita è stramba, chi balla il pop e chi balla la samba, chi burna weed e chi se fuma la bamba, chi sta a 2000 e chi invece se stanca, chi va alla cop, chi andava alla standa, chi c'ha il mignoletto e chi la terza gamba, chi fa il politico, chi fa il caramba, chi dà una mano, chi dà la zamba, e poi c'è Raina che canta la 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 scialla la 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 la. Vado avanti ma capi non ci riesco, perché il mondo è alla ricerca di un diverso, per colore, religione oppure
un bello fiore d'erba fresca paesana, c'ha un motorino picca picca di benzina, me ne va a mare me sta aspettando una pagnona, oggi me la sento e proprio la giornata buona, non mi manca niente degno tanta te da ciana, io già la conosco ormai già di una settimana, sape se stasera no la musica si suona, porto tutto preciato perché saccio che ce ne dico, qui tu che tegno non c'ha la capo e non c'ha il cuore, se come ci ho capito io hai già di piazzo proprio e non sta aspettando con ne potremmo dire, non saccio come la pensa, se te ne tipa esigente una tipa che sei contenta perché cerca l'amore, come hai mo ci rio la show, sempre che una bella cosa lì la posso offrire, perché tegno un panino t'offri segge una banana,